Today I'm going to show you just the basic stitch pattern for the braided rose cowl and hat and gloves. So this is not the actual yarn that I used for that project. This is Caron Simply Soft. It's a basic acrylic yarn. For that project I used Trilogy Yarn's Glamorous Fingering yarn in blush colorway. So you'll start with 5 rows of single crochet. I just did 2 here just to have something to work into. And then you'll single crochet. My turn chain counts as a single crochet. Then I'm going to do a front post double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So front post double, front post double, and then I'll do 2 single crochets. Make sure that I skip those 2 stitches that I just did front posts for. And then I'll do 4 front post double crochet. And this is setting up my cables. All of my other post stitches after the first row are going to be triple crochets. I know sometimes people like to use double crochets for their cables, but I found that in this pattern the triples just worked better, so I used them. And then a single crochet to finish the row. And if you were doing a bigger project, it's just a repeat of 10, so it would be 2 single crochets, 2 front posts, 2 single crochet, 4 front post, and it would just repeat that over and over. But you can see that in the actual pattern. Then my return row is always just going to be a single crochet across behind my cables. Alright, then coming back, my turn chain is a single crochet, and I'm going to do a front post triple crochet across each of my previous front post stitches and single crochets where I had single crochets. So I'll start with a triple crochet here around the post of this double front post double crochet, and then another one on the next. Then I've got 2 single crochets and 4 front post triple crochets around these previous front post double crochets. So I've got to go down 2 rows to get to those. So far I just have straight cables coming up, a set of 2 and then a set of 4. And then a single crochet in my turn chain to finish off that row. And I'll turn, and again, because I'm going on the back side, I'm just going to single crochet across all my stitches. And now this is my first row of crossing my cables. So these 2 are always just going to be straight cables. So I'm going to do 2 front post double crochets across those. And now I'm going to do a front post double crochet or triple crochet in the 3rd stitch. So I'm skipping my first 2 and going to the 3rd one. And then I will do in the next one, so the 3rd, then the 4th, then I will go back and do front post triple crochets in the 1st and then the 2nd. So it goes 3, 4, 1, 2 to make my post pattern. And then I will do 1 more cable row to show you how to work into these after the twist, or the cross row. And then I still need a single crochet in my turn chain to kind of lock that row in. Alright, so here's my cross. I've got these cables that are crossing now. Okay, working back, I work single crochets all the way back. It is getting dark here. It's a thunderstormy day. My light is dying. Now coming back, single crochet is my turn chain. These 2 are just going to be regular front post triple crochet. And then 2 single crochet. And now I have come back to where I just did my cross. So when I do this, my first 2 triple crochet, front post triple crochets are actually kind of hidden behind these 2 that are crossing over. So you got to kind of dig for them a little bit so you can see the top of this one here. So I'm just going to go under that. So that is where I need to make my first front post triple crochet. And then the next one is also under here. I can see the top of it here. So I don't even need to see it. I can reach under and pull it over with my hook. So just reach under and grab it with my hook, turn over and pull through. And so the cross row won't actually look all that great until after you've done the row after it. Then I've got these first 2 on top, and those are easy to see. So I can finish those 2. And then again, I'm going to do a single crochet in my turn chain always. If I can. Check in. I'm catching that. Okay. So that is just a quick video to show you how to do the cables for the Braided Rose Cowl pattern. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to purchase the patterns, they're available on Etsy, Ravelry, and in my shop on Kick and Crochet. Happy crocheting!